Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today I'm going to be talking about the 10 biggest luxury fashion mistakes you can make. And I'm here to help you try and stop them. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's begin. Start off with mistake number 1, getting duped by Instagram. I have been in far too many situations almost pressing the pay now on an item that I am like, I would never wear that. This is the most un-me thing I have seen in my life, but I have seen it so many sodding times on Instagram that subliminal messaging, okay, conspiracy theories, that I think that I should get it, okay? Don't fall for this trap. And really look at something and say, is this me? Okay, mistake number 2 is not thinking about the fabric. I'm going to use bags as an example here. This is a new bag I just bought. It is made out of canvas. Canvas is not the best everyday fabric. So if I am after an everyday bag, probably not going to look at canvas. Coated canvas maybe. Something that's a bit more waterproof and hard wearing. Think about these kinds of things and how it relates to your lifestyle. Even with leathers, at Chanel you've got the lambskin versus the caviar. The caviar is so much more hard wearing, but if you like the look of the lambskin, then that's something else. Mistake number 3, thinking that all designer items are of high quality. Listen, this varies between brands. It can even vary between products in the same brand. You need to make sure that you're giving everything a little once over, okay, a little check of the eyes before you swipe that card. Mistake number 4 is only thinking about resale value. My point here is, don't just buy something because you think it's either going to maintain or increase in value over time. Buy something because you love it, okay? And I'm a huge advocate for, if it makes your soul sing, okay? If it makes your blood tingle inside your veins when you see it, that is all that matters, okay? In a couple of years, if that goes down in price or whatever, it doesn't matter because you should love it. Mistake number 5 that I am very, very bad at is impulse buying. Listen, we've all been through it. In that vein of when something makes your blood tingle, okay, I've had it a couple of times when things have made my blood tingle. I've squeezed the trigger on it, and then and there I've bought it, and then I take it home and I'm like, what do I do with you? It is so easy to fall into the trap. Under the bright, glorious lights of whatever shop it is, you can be easily swayed into dropping that cash for something that maybe you shouldn't really be dropping that cash on, okay? Go home, be patient, think about it. Are you truly in love? Mistake number 6, that is not figuring out your cost per wear. I'm not saying that you sit down, okay, you get your little maths graph little notebook out and you start doing your little divisions and whatever, okay? That can stop right there, okay? I ended my relationship with maths a long time ago. Here, I will literally write out, let's say, Balenciaga jacket. I'll be like, Balenciaga jacket. Okay, one way I can wear it is with blue jeans and heeled ankle boots. Okay, I will literally write out ways. If I am struggling to come up with ways, I'm like, you know what, this may not be the best way to spend my monies. Mistake number 7, another mistake that I have fallen for in the past. Buying it just because it's limited edition. Okay, I don't know why the words limited edition, it's the only one left, the only one in Europe, just makes my heart beat a little bit faster, okay? I don't know if it's the guise of exclusivity or whatever it is, but as soon as I hear the words, it's limited edition, oh, is she now? Do not let those words fool you. Go home. If it is meant to be, it is meant to be. And don't you worry, because the issue with luxury is that there's always something else. There is always sodding something else. Mistake number 8, not shopping/finding a sales associate. When you shop with the same sales associate, this unlocks you benefits. Those benefits may be invitations to events, gifts on your birthday or Christmas or Chinese New Year, being able to pre-order items, knowing when stuff is coming in, seeing stuff before it comes out, X, Y, and Z, possibly even getting invited to shows. If you don't shop with the same person, you're not going to unlock those benefits. So keep that in mind. Mistake number 9, paying full price for items that go on sale. Listen, I feel like this comes with experience and just keeping your eyes open. I know that there are certain brands and sometimes certain items within those brands that always end up in the sale. Off-white t-shirts, Balenciaga t-shirts, sweaters, that kind of thing. Vetements, pretty much all of Vetements ends up in the sale, okay? So just keep your eyes and ears open, be savvy, okay? Because we don't want you to waste your hard-earned cash. The final mistake, don't settle, okay? I know how easy it is. I know when you have something on your wish list, cough, a Birkin, cough, it is very easy to be derailed by things that are quick wins, a bit cheaper, so on and so forth. I want a Birkin. I have been sidetracked by other items thus far that are meaning that my journey to getting a Birkin is getting further and further away from me, okay? Now, you are always going to want that big ticket item, so you may as well just stay true, stay firmly on your path, blinders on, blinders, blinkers, whatever, they're on, okay? Focusing on that thing that you want. If you have any mistakes that you've made, feel free to share them in the comments. And if you want more tips to help you on your journey luxury shopping, I'm going to leave my ultimate guide to buying luxury fashion right here. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.